Hey, what's up? And welcome to Series English. My name is Antonia Remarker, and today we'll focus on possession using an apostrophe S. There's another variant when you use the preposition of, but today we'll study mainly, purely, the apostrophe S situation. Firstly, we need to understand that an apostrophe S is used to show that something belongs to somebody or something. Here there is an asterisk because mostly something belongs to somebody. A couple of examples. Is that Mary's car? So, does this car belong to Mary? Is that Mary's car? Russia's territory is so vast. How do we pronounce an apostrophe S? Here, the rules are absolutely the same as for the plural ending S. So, it can be pronounced as s, for example, cats. The plural form is pronounced the same way, cats. It can be pronounced as z, kids, kids. All three forms are pronounced the same. And is, George's. If you do not remember the rules, then let me refresh your memory. Take a look at this chart. And now let's review some peculiarities which you are supposed to know when you deal with an apostrophe S. First off, we can use an apostrophe S with noun phrases. An example, this is my brother's girlfriend. This is a noun phrase, my brother, 2 words. And we add an apostrophe S to the last word. This is my brother's girlfriend. Second off, we can use 2 possessive contractions. We went to Sarah's parents' house. So the house belongs to the parents, and the parents belong to Sarah. So they are Sarah's parents. And we went to their house. So therefore we went to Sarah's parents' house. By the way, have you noticed that here we do not have an apostrophe S, we have just an apostrophe, and that's it. That's because it is a plural noun which ends in the ending S. So we add just an apostrophe. For singular nouns, we add an apostrophe S, but for plural nouns which end in S already, we add just an apostrophe. Thirdly, an apostrophe S can be about time and duration. Is this today's paper? The next point. As I have already said, we use an apostrophe S with singular nouns, and we use just an apostrophe with plural nouns, which have the ending S. But with irregular plural forms, we use an apostrophe S. The children's toys are all over the place. Children is plural, but it is in irregular form. That's why we add an apostrophe S. Moving on. If the first or the second name ends in S, we can add an apostrophe S or just an apostrophe. Both variants are possible. And usually we pronounce such words as ziz or sizz. Is that James's dog? James, that's why ziz, James's. As for compound words, we add an apostrophe S to the final noun. My mother-in-law's cooking is delicious. Do not forget that we don't usually use an apostrophe S with things. Therefore, we have the door handle, the kitchen table, the shop window, and so on. Also, when we talk about places familiar to the speaker and the listener, we sometimes can drop the noun after an apostrophe S. The hairdressers, the doctors, the vet's office, the Johns, the John's house, the Whites place. Here, Whites stand for the whole family, the Johnsons. And the last 2 points. Number 9, in short answers, we can omit the noun if it is not necessary to repeat it. Is that your coat? No, it's Sandra's. 10, we can use an apostrophe S with one, anyone, someone, anybody, somebody. It's essential to know one's rights. And answering the previous question, it's someone else's coat. Else's. If you add else, then an apostrophe S is added to else. And take a look at these two forms. What is the difference? What do you think? This is a singular form and this is a plural form. The same logic. You should ask for others' opinion, other people, many people. That's why we use this form. You should ask for others' opinion. And finally, do not use an apostrophe S with possessive pronouns. Be careful. Anyway, that's it. If you have any questions, as usual, feel free to write a comment. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. It will help me a lot. And I hope that you would like to continue studying English with me. See you in my next video. Happy English and Russian practice. Bye!